Guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. So let's take a look at XLM here. Okay, we can go on the weekly time frame here, and we can see that during this 2018 run up, we went pretty high. Okay, we did have 5 waves. So this is your wave 1, your wave 2, 3, 4, and then your 5th wave over here. So same kind of structure as XRP back in 2018. We had your bear market, then over here, all of the buyers all throughout this run, especially down here, exited their position, creating a double top. So what do we see here? We have a neckline, right? And then we have our handle. So this is a cup and handle pattern, and we are now starting to break out of it. So this is the same. This is the same structure as XMR. Okay, you'll see the exact same structure with XMR. However, XLM already broke out, right? But XMR didn't. So that's why I think XMR is a very good spot play if you want to play that. So let's take a look at XLM here. So this could be your 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. And then you have your uptick in your price. Okay, so your whole correction would have looked like this. So it's just a flat pattern. Okay. So now if we're looking at targets and where I think this is headed, if I take a fib from here to this top, to this bottom over here, and I go on the logarithmic scale, our first macro target is sitting at around 23 cents at our 0.5. Okay, let's add 618 on here. Okay, this is your golden pocket over here, 618. And let's not forget our macro 0.702. Okay, so I do expect us to hit these targets. Now, what we can do is we can go to the 4-hour time frame and establish a wave count for XLM. Now, what I see here is this could be an ABC upwards, right? Or this can just be the spring in a Wyckoff accumulation schematic. Okay, so either way, the wave count won't change. Okay, so if this is your third wave, your macro third wave over here, we're still going to have 5 waves in this. So if we go from the very bottom of this, let's go to the daily time frame. Sorry, the 12-hour. This is your first wave. Okay, 1, 2. We have to have our third wave up here, our fourth wave, and then we have to have our fifth wave. And now remember, there is 5 waves within each wave. Looks very similar to that of XRP. Okay. Now, where did this fourth wave hit? Well, we take a fib from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 here, and we found very good support on the 618. And it has that check mark motion. You see that double bottom motion? Went down to the 618, rallied just above the 0.5, then came back down to do a double bottom, and then went off. Okay, so we'll call this your 618 over here. So where do I think this wave 5 can hit? Well, I take my trend base fib from the bottom of 1, to the top of 3 and down to the bottom of your wave 4. And your golden pocket sits right at the macro 0.5. Do you guys see that? You see how your golden pocket sits right at your 0.5 there? We found the 0.5 by taking a fib from the top of this trend to the bottom here. Okay, so all we're doing is we're just finding confluence with the fibs. Now, I'm sure this would be, if we do come up here, we are definitely going to see some type of a pullback, either a very big pullback because this is our C wave, or in other words, our corrective move up, or just a small little correction because this is just your third wave up. Okay? So right now I do think XLM is going to head higher as long as we hold these lows. As soon as you break this low, then most likely this is just an A, most likely our wave 4 is not done and this is just an A, B, and then a C wave. So same kind of a concept with XRP, right? Now if we're going to look at our intraday resistances, here are your intraday resistances. Take a fib from the very top of 3 to the bottom of 4, and you get your resistances here. Okay. So in order to confirm higher prices, I want to see us get back above this 0.5, above this 4-hour order block over here, and especially this 702. Okay, once you get over this 702, then it's game on, right? It's game on, and we're definitely headed for that 23 cent area. Okay, but so far we're looking good as long as we don't break this support over here. So definitely getting above this will be very telling for bulls. Okay. It's a very strong resistance. You see how we used it in the past? Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed and also the daily looks pretty good too. Daily looks pretty fine. But remember, bulls need to stay above this. Otherwise, it's just going to be a deeper wave 4. So hope you enjoyed the XLM video. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.